Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to send emails from Excel. So it's the part 1 of the video where we will learn how we will use hyperlink to send emails to our employees and any other person. So as you can see that we have sales data of January 2020 where we have employee ID, name, their email address, their sales and their target, and the target achieved or not achieved, exceeded target amount, subject, body of our email. So first we will understand how we will use hyperlink and then we will move on to our sheet 1. So here we have our customer's name and their email address and the subject, body and CC of our email, which we have typed at the bottom of our sheet. Put the cursor anywhere on your sheet and then right click of mouse and then select hyperlink or insert hyperlink, whatever you have in your Excel. Now as you can see that a box will appear. In email address, simply type the email address of your customer, that is siddharth@gmail.com, and here as you can see that when I typed my email address I got a syntax that is mail to : it appears automatically before my email address, and when I start typing my subject, that is order delivered. So here you can see that before my subject I got question mark subject equals. So this syntax is automatically added before my subject. So we will use these two things in our email also, that is mail to : and question mark subject equal to. Now simply close this box and start typing our formula. Simply type equal to hyperlink open bracket, and in link location we will use the location of our customer's email address, that is C8. Now first type inverted comma mail to : inverted comma and C8, that is your email address of your customer, then comma, then in friendly name type email which you will get as your result. Now press enter. Now when you click on email, you can see that your customer's email address is typed automatically. Now simply close this window. Now let's move on and type our subject in our formula. Type and inverted comma, question mark, subject equal to. Now select C18 cell, that is order delivered, and don't forget to freeze that cell because you want same subject for all your emails to your customers. Now press enter. Now again click on email. So here as you can see that your subject is automatically typed, that is order delivered. Now again close this window. Now let's move on and type our CC. Now simply type and inverted comma and CC equal to inverted comma and then select C20 cell, that is cfo@gmail.com. Now again don't forget to freeze this cell with the help of F4 key. Now press enter. Now again click on email. So here as you can see that your CC is automatically typed, that is cfo@gmail.com. Now again close this window. Now let's move on and type the body of our letter. Simply type and inverted comma and body equal to inverted comma and then select C19 cell, that is dear sir / ma'am, hope you liked your order. Then again freeze it with the help of F4 key. Now again click on email. So here as you can see that your body of your email is automatically typed. Now if you want to type hope you liked your order in next line, simply make some changes in your body, that is in C19 cell. Simply type %0 capital A before hope you liked your order and then press enter. Now again go to email and click on it. So here as you can see that hope you liked your order is written in second line of your body of your email. Now simply close this window. So this is how we can use hyperlink in generating our emails for our customers, employees, etc. Sutra. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching.